Hello, my name is Brittany with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you and for letting me send out this quick video. I just wanted to go over a few things with you today. I'm going to make this as quick as possible. I don't want to take up too much of your time. And at the end of this video, if you could possibly give some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is made up of anything that's going to be on your front page here. Any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage, and within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is going to be anything that someone might type into Google that they would use to search for a particular product or a service. Now, I did put in your information here into a tool that we use. This goes over the analytics of your website. So with this tool, we're able to see your strength and your trust with Google here, the amount of backlinks you have, and the amount of keywords that you have. So uh, first off, the strength is the UR and the trust is the DR. Now, Google uses this on a scale of 100, and the idea is to be able to build them up as evenly as possible. Now, keywords, you're indexing for 4 of them, and that's bringing 3 organic traffic to your page. Well, it's only showing even 2 here, so that brought in 3 people so far. So the idea is to be able to find now more keywords that are going to suit what you do, what your business is, where you're located, to be able to have more traffic coming through to your website. Now, you have, like I said, 7 backlinks referring from one referring domain. Now, what a backlink is, it's going to be anywhere that you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, the thing is, not all of these backlinks are the same. The links are definitely not created equal. Some links are more spammy, some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative, and that's going to bring more power to your website. Now, another thing we want to go over with you is going to be citations. Now, a citation is going to be anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address is found in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, things like that. You want to be able to get your name and number and address out there as much as possible. That's also going to help you rank here on the map pack. So this is going to be the most important place you want to be. This is where most of the traffic goes through, is going to be these first few businesses that show up right here on this map pack. So I pulled up a website here, was able to kind of look over. This one doesn't have quite that much content either on her page, but she does have a little bit more backlinks, and she's definitely got more of the more of the trust with Google. Now, we definitely want to be able to see what backlinks that she has that's going to be able to utilize that with you, and then the idea is to also get you more. So we want to get you ranking for more keywords and more backlinks, and then try to find out what type of citations that they might possibly have. We want to get you the same citations that other businesses have, but we also want to get you more citations. We want to get your name and phone number and stuff out there as much as we possibly can. And that's just going to, once those all come together, it's going to build you up and show that you're, trustworthy of Google. Now, another thing is when you have a Google Business profile, there is an About Us section that gives you 750 words in that About Us section. You want to make sure that you have all of that filled out, and then you also want to be able to place keywords into that About Us section, and that's going to help you as well. Also, you want to make sure you keep posting branded posts and geolocated photos with social media and things like that, and you want as much pointing back to your business website as much as possible. So I do want to say thank you for letting me take this time to be able to send you this video. Um, like I said, I just want to show you the things that we could try to utilize that's going to work really good for your website and be able to help you build up and get more traffic running to your website. So again, my name is Brittany. I am going to send this out to you in a message, and on that message will also include my phone number, my email. You can call, text, email, whatever works best for you. But let me know if you have any questions, and like I said, if I could get any feedback, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.